Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this episode 197 of Gardening Without Edits, I'm going to show you a quick video right now. It's pretty cold right now. It's going to be the first frost, I think tomorrow. It's going to be at 28 degrees, so I have a little bit of work to do to ensure some of my plants like my mango back here and other little plants, moringa, are a little bit safer. But let me show you, I get a lot of questions on my parsley, the one that I'll put a link up in the video right now of the one that's as big as my hand, the parsley leaf, and how I go about selecting and growing parsley plants that I grow from my own seed stock, and what I do to, I guess, mitigate what would work and what won't for the key qualities I look for. So let me show you right now with some of the parsley plants I have. There's Lulu over there, making sure no one's bothering us. So I have a few parsley plants that are ready to go in the ground after the frost. Parsley's not really worried about frost, but I don't want to plant the parsley right away, right when it goes to frost. So I'm just going to wait about a week. So there's plots here, over there, and over there. Then I have more that I'm going to take out from here. And I'm going to show you which ones those are, and I'll plant more in the front as well. I love parsley. You would think Zaatar is my favorite herb, hence Zaatar Gardens, but it's parsley that's my favorite. I eat it almost every day. So let's take a look at these right here. So this is a triple curl. Let me get out of this is a triple curl. And by the way, these tomato cages here are so so Lulu doesn't run over them. So you see, they'll be throughout. I'll show you. So this is triple curl. Let me zoom in. And you can see which one is a problem. Well, not a problem, but it's not gonna produce the best seed stock or best plants for this year and next year and then the generations after. The one in the middle has to go. So you can see the difference. Isn't it so pretty, all the bright green? It's such a decorative edible plant. If you want a decorative, I think I have a video on that as well. I'll try to link that up too. A decorative edible is a parsley plant, trust me. It's beautiful. So the one in the middle has to go and replaced with other ones I have ready. So let's go to another plot. That's things I do. Now that's unfortunate, but you can see the difference. Why keep that one going? That's a weaker stock. So we got over here, and I don't know how many videos I'm gonna link up, but I'll try to link up another one about how I weed my garden. This is the prime time to weed. You see all these little seedlings? This is the prime time to weed them out before they become a problem. This is very easy to do. You can just do it with your hand even if you want. So anyways, so you can see these 6. You can tell which one obviously is the one that has to go. Now you're like, well, it's not that bad. Well, I want the best possible. Obviously the best possible, let's go above, would probably be this one. Look at that. So if I continue getting the seed stock from this and annotate on the seed packets, the bags, where the best one, like grade A, or I would say grade A plus, this is just my own rankings, and continue doing its offspring like that, then you're gonna get really, really good seed stock later on. You gotta remember, when they go into flower, they're gonna cross-pollinate with everybody, okay? Unless you put a, wrapping around them and hand pollinate. You don't want them to cross-pollinate with this one here. This one has to go. So that one here has to go and replaced with other ones. Now this is the variety right here. You see some of the weeds I let go. I should have gotten them. Now I have to dig them up. But this is the variety of mine where the leaf is as big as my hand. So this is how they start out. You can see how big they are, the leaves already, and they're barely just, they've only germinated not that long ago. And they're already this big. So, but you can tell, I'm gonna just go through it really quick. You're gonna tell which one has to go. Here we go, there's 6 of them. So you see the tomato cages for Lulu. Well, I wonder which one has to go. You see? So right there, that little one has to go. Right in the middle, take it out and replace it with another one that I have ready. Just a little pan of the garden. There's some kumquats, but my daughter loves them. There's some Timbra spicata. This is extremely rare Zaatar plant. Just love it. This is the one that people go crazy over. I have about 4 or 5 of those plants. See how heavily I pruned my fig? Okay, now, so we got over here. So you could already tell, the one in the middle has to go. And that's how you do it. Oh, that's how I do it. Oh, there's another plot. Let's see. I mean, if I want to be picky, I would take out this one, but these don't look that bad. Do you see how bright green they are? I just love it. I just love this stuff. Then I'll show you there's my Tallinn and Sean's gnome garden. We got to expand on this a little bit more. You still making sure no one's bothering us, Lulu? Lulu. Look at all the lemons still on the tree. So here's the seed stock. Now this variety is the one that's the big one. You see how big the leaves are already for such a small plant? These will get almost the size as my hand. Bigger than my palm. And this is to replace any ones that are a problem and plant some in the front. I think that's about it, everybody. So it's a new year. Happy New Year. Kind of a little late on that, I guess. And happy gardening. Bye.